In my video today, we're still talking about confidence. So I want you to brace yourself for this one because it's big. No matter how big the presentation is, the show is, or the performance is, you have no control over anyone else's responses, and isn't that great? Hi, I'm Bella from Feel Great to Be Productive. I'm a motivational coach and I help people to become more positive, more motivated and more confident quickly. Today we're talking about confidence and a lack of confidence again. I'm going to tell you this: you have no control over anybody else's responses but your own. So as long as you have control over your own responses, you will succeed. You don't know what's going on in anyone else's life. You don't know what's going on in their situation, whether they've got health issues or whether they're just not listening to you. You have no control. So take a step back. Your mindset switch is to compose yourself and do the best you that you can do. Be the best you can do. Let the others be the best them they can be. Relax, be your best, and let it rest. So before your next presentation, performance, or show, or whatever you need it for, go back to some of my previous mindset switches and get yourself in the best place in your own mind to be the best you that you can be. Have you already used some of my mindset switches in your life? I would love to hear about them. Please comment. I have new videos up every Monday, 8:30. So if you subscribe to my channel, you can see them.